During this festival.
Oh yes, it is very much.
So what's your impression about Kailash Valley?
Pardon?
What's your impression about Kailash culture?
We are very impressed actually, especially by the people here. You know, the people here is very humble, and of course the unique culture here. Even though Kailash Valley, especially in Birir, is kind of a isolated culture, yeah, and isolated people. But we really impressed with the people here. They are very kind and humble, and I think foreigners and tourists should come here. Yeah.
So would you like to say something about
About pardon? Sorry.
what message you would like to give Kailash people?
Oh, to Kailash people, I think they should stay humble, stay friendly with foreigners, especially tourists. We also happy with your friendliness. You know, we also happy with that. And do you think about development or what? No. Okay. Well, actually, for the Kailash people. We as a tourist here, we are very proud of us because we reach here and see your culture, your beautiful culture, and beautiful people and beautiful heart too. We are really appreciate for your kindness. Yeah.
So is it your first time in Kailash Valley?
Yes, this is our first time in Kailash Valley.
So how you feel in Kailash Valley?
We feel great. We feel great, and we really enjoy mix around with the people, talking with the people, especially. And you know, we are here, came here, and tour like a local too. And Kailash people also really welcome foreigner and welcome tourists as well.
As they are very hospitable.
Sorry.
They are very hospitable.
Yes.
We are known by our hospitality.
Yes,
So thank you for your cooperation.
Yes,
Thank you so
very
much.
much.